We are the pulse of the chaos community. We are a collective of architects, artists, creators, and visionaries, united by a shared passion for 3D visualization. Our mission is to support and elevate the voices that shape this community. We amplify creativity, foster architectural and visual storytelling, and provide the support to reach new heights.
I strongly believe that community is an integral part of the chaos experience. And what a wonderful community it is.
Through programs like Partners in Art, Hablamos Chaos, CGArchitect, Chaos Masters, and Chaos Campus, we empower everyone, from newcomers to seasoned professionals, to thrive.
At the end of the day, it's always about the community.
Choosing chaos isn't just about the tools you use, it's about being part of something bigger.
Being part of this inspires me a lot to grow every day.
With expert-led courses, live events, and hands-on experiences, we ensure that knowledge is shared freely, helping you break boundaries.
At Chaos, we don't just create, we connect.
Our community is the ideal space to share experiences and grow together.
I'm so happy to be part of this creative community of architects, 3D artists, interior designers across the globe. Thank you for the trust, and I'm looking forward to our future collaborations.
When you're with Chaos, you're not just using software. You're part of a movement, a creative force shaping the future of 3D visualization. Imagine without limits, design with confidence, and always believe in the power of your creativity.